The starting material for manufacture of silicones is RSiCl3. Write the structure of the product formed. What exactly are silicones? Silicones are organosilicon polymers which contain repeated SiO-Si linkages. What? Silicones are organosilicon polymers. The keyword is organosilicon polymers, and they contain repeated SiO-Si linkages, and they have very extraordinary properties. Properties are not asked. Let's concentrate on manufacture of silicones. We are starting with RSiCl3. Fine. What happens? This RSiCl3 you hydrolyze, you add water. You get RSiOH, OH, OH like this, right? And if you get OH groups because of hydrolysis, do you know what happens? Yes, what? Actually, there is condensation reaction between adjacent silicon atoms. What do you mean? I'll just show you this. I'll need more space. I'll just erase this and write it. You have RSiOH, OH, OH plus HOSiOH, ROH plus HOSiOH, ROH. Fine. And then you have OH, Si, R. What stupidity is this? It is not stupidity. We are trying to write down a polymerization reaction as it occurs. And this is what we are trying to show, that what exactly happens in that respect. See, I'm just writing a sample. It is much more vivid actually. What happens is, you have this H and OH, they condense. What does it mean? This water molecule is removed, okay, in the same fashion. This water molecule is removed, and in the same fashion, this also continues dot dot dot, and this also continues dot dot dot. What about this? Again, a water molecule is being removed. Fancy. And again, a water molecule is removed. What are you up to? I'm just showing you how they behave. An OH group attached to a silicon atom is not very stable. Now, oxygens don't form double bond with silicon, so adjacent molecules begin to condense with each other. Wonderful. And they start eliminating water molecules. They do start eliminating water molecules like this. And it becomes very fashionable, you know, like this. It seems to get a kind of a ladder like this, okay? And where does that leave you? If we condense this, you know what we get? We get R, Si, OSi, OSi. You have R groups here, and you have OSi, OSi, O sign, O sign. You get a ladder-like structure. This is ended. But on this side, it's a double-chained ladder which continues. And this is the structure of product, my dears, which is formed as a linear silicon. In fact, not linear, it's a cross-linked silicon. So, dear students, this was the solution of NCERT questions of boron and carbon family. I hope you have benefited from them. If you want the theory, not just that, more deeper explanations, deeper ideas, and more questions, you're welcome to visit Vyas app, the Vyas Edification app. The link has been given below. Download the app and access our content to your heart's content. This is Shishir Mittal from Vyas Certification. All the best.